To utilize a promo code, start by accessing a search engine in your web browser and type in the website Agoda to locate the official site, which is likely agoda.com. Click on this link to enter the homepage, where you will find a sign-in button. Input your email and password to gain access to your account. Once logged in, you will see various options, including coupons and deals, which you should select to open a new tab. This tab will display today's deals, special offers, international deals, and a VIP program, among other things. To find a special deal, look for a promo code, typically named after a city. After locating a promo code, proceed to book something and look for an option to enter the code. If the offer matches, enter the code to receive a discount. After completing these steps, you can explore other features and discounts available on the website.